Assalamu students. Uh, this is lecture number 2 of chapter number 3 of your D4 book. So we start this lecture with question number 8. Bag P contains a red, blue, and white marbles, while bag Q contains a blue and red marble. The marbles are identical except in their colors. A marble is picked at random from both bags P and Q. List all the possible outcomes sample space. So I have written the samples drawn in possibility diagram. Red, blue, and white. Similarly for bag Q, red and blue. So there are 6 possibilities or possible outcomes. Total 6 outcomes. In part one, we have to find the probability of the same color. The same colors are red, red, and blue, blue. I have shown this with the red color. This, sorry, yes, with red color, same blue and blue. So there are 2 outcomes. So the probability will be 2/6 equal to 1/3. Similarly, for probability of blue and red, so there will be blue and red, and this is so it's 2 outcomes which has blue and red probability out final outcomes. So there are 2 favorable outcomes. So 2/6 equal to 1/3. Similarly, for different colors I've mentioned with this green circles 1, 2, 3, 4. So the outcomes, favorable outcomes are 4 divided by total outcome 6. So the probability will become 2/3. All right, next question. Question number 10. The three daughters-in-law of Mrs. Chan are happily awaiting the arrival of their bundles of joy within the year. List the sample space of the sexes of 3 babies given that the babies are equally likely to be either a boy or a girl. Hence, find the probability that the Mrs. Chan will have 3 grandsons. So I'm going to make a tree diagram for this experiment or for this case. Uh, so this is for the first daughter-in-law. Either she has a boy or girl. So if for the second one, if the first has a boy, then the second can have boy or girl. Similarly, if the first has girl, the second can have boy or girl. For the third daughter-in-law, if the first and second has boys, 2 boys, and the third can have boy or girl. Similarly, if the first has boy and the second has girl, then third can have boy or girl. And they are mutually exclusive events, so I have made the tree diagram. See, girl and boy, and the third can have boy or girl. Similarly for this case. So you can see that there are total 8 outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The first one is boy, 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 then boy, boy, girl, then boy, girl, boy, and boy, girl, girl. So these are the outcomes. So you can write them in set. First one is boy, 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 then boy, boy, girl, then boy, girl, boy, then boy, girl, girl, then girl, boy, boy, then girl, boy, girl. So total 8 branches. Girl, boy, girl, then girl, girl, boy, and finally girl, girl, girl. So this is the sample space. So in part we have to find the probability of the 3 grandsons. So you can see that for it, this is the branch. This one, girl, girl, sorry, grandsons. So boy, boy, boy. There is only one outcome. So the probability will become in part one 1 over total outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the answer. Part 2, the two grandsons and one granddaughter. Two grandsons, so boy, and one daughter. So this the first branch is this boy, girl. Second one is boy, girl, and boy. You can see that in each branch we have boy, girl, or two boys and one girl. Similarly, for this one, we have another branch, boy and boy, girl, just three. So the probability will be for the second part, total outcome, available outcomes are three, and total outcomes are eight. All right, for the third part, one grandson and two daughters. Let me delete them first. One grandson and two daughters. So now for boy, this one. Two daughters, one grandson, and yes, this one. Girl, boy, girl, and this one as well. Girl, boy. So there are three outcomes, several outcomes. So the probability will be 3 by 8 again. All right, next question. Question number 12. The statement is, in a game, the player throws a fair coin and a fair six-sided die simultaneously. One die and one coin. If the coin shows a head and the player's score is the score on the die, if the coin shows a tail, then the player's score is twice the score on the die, two times. The player's score is twice the score on the die. Some of the players' possible scores are shown in the possibility diagram who have to complete it. If head, the die is two, the same number. Number remains same. But if the person get tails, we will double the score of the die. So 1 for 2, 2 for 4, similarly 3 for 6, and 4 for 8, and 5 for 10, and 6 for 12. So these are the scores. Copy and complete the possibility diagram. So I've done this. Part B. Using the diagram, find the probability that the player score is odd. So part 1. How many odd numbers it has? Player score is odd. 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, 3. So there are three odd numbers. The probability will be 3 over total number of outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9, 12. 9, 8, 10, 11, 12. So 12 outcomes. So this will become 1 by 4. It's part 2. Even numbers. So how many even numbers it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So there are 9 even numbers. The probability will be 9 over 12. So answer is 3 by 4. Third part, a prime number. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, another 2. So there are 4 prime numbers, 4 over 12. So answer will be 1 by 3. Fourth, less than or equal to 8. Less than or equal to 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one. So 1, 2, 3, 9 numbers are less than or sorry, another this one. 10 numbers are less than or equal to 8. So 10 over 12. Answer, the reduced fraction will be 5 over 6. For the fifth one, a multiple of 3. So multiple of 3s are 3, 6, this one as well, and this one. So there are 4 multiples of 6, multiple of 3. So 4 over 12. So the reduced fraction will be 1 by 3. Okay, next question, question number 17. A bag contains 3 cards, number 1, 3, 5, and second bag contains 3 cards, 1, 2, and 7. One card is drawn at random from each bag. Calculate the probability of the two numbers obtained are the, okay. So I'm going to draw a tree diagram for it. For the bag A, first bag, so how many numbers it has? 1, 3, and 5. 1, 3, and 5. Second bag, it has 1, 2, and 7. 1, 2, and 7. Similarly, if first bag has 3, then possibilities of 1, 2, 7 in the second bag. Similarly for it, 1, 2, and 7. So this is the tree diagram for it. So we have to find the probability of the two numbers obtained are both odd. So which one is odd? This one, the first branch, and both odd. And this one, 1 and 7, then 3, 1, then 3, 7, then 5, 1, then 5, 7. So for the first part, the probability will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 branches, 6 divided by total number of branches of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So reduced answer will be 2 by 3. All right, next part. Number 2 are both prime numbers. So both prime numbers. So this, the first branch is this 3 and 2, both prime numbers. Similarly for 5, 2, and 5, 7. So there are 3 branches which have both prime numbers. So 3 over total are 3. So answer will be 1 by 3. Another one. Oh, I forgot. This one. 3, 7. So answer will be 4 by 9. There are 4 branches. All right, third part. Uh, have a sum greater than 4. First, remove the previous part. Shading. Sum, having a sum. So I'm making a sum column here. Sum two numbers, sum of two numbers, 1 and 2, and this branch gives you 3, then 8, 1 plus 7, 3 plus 1, 4, 3 plus 2, 5, 3 plus 7, 10, then 6, then 7 and 12. So these are the sums of numbers in each branch. All right, next, have a sum greater than 4. So which one are greater than 4? This one, first, second, sorry, greater than first, second, third, 4, 5, and this one is 6. So there are 6 numbers which are greater than 4. Sums are greater than 4. So 6 divided by total 9. So answer will be 2 by 3. Next, part 4. Have a sum that is even. Even numbers are those which are multiple of 2. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So there are 6 numbers. 6 over 9, or reduced form is 2 by 3. Part 5. Have a product of the product that is prime. So I'm finding the product here. So product of 1 into 1 is 1, then 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into 7 is 7, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 sevens are 21, then 5 into 1 is 5, 5 twos are 10, and 5 sevens are 35. So these are the products. So having a product that is greater than 20, the greater than 20 products have first, second. So there are 2 products which are greater than 20. So 2 over total are 9. Part 6. Have a product that is divisible by 7. Divisible by 7 or multiple of 7. The first one, second, and third. So there are 3 products which are divisible by 5, by 7. So answer will be 3 over 9 or equal to 1 over 3. So this is your home assignment. Question number 8, 9, 10, 11, 15, and 16 of the same exercise. Take care. Allah Hafiz.